Or your record is stuck in a loop, lifting the same weights for weeks but no gains? Bro, if you are not increasing your load at the right time, you are leaving serious gain on the table. In today's video, we are going deep into the science and real-life sign of when to increase your weights for maximum muscle growth. Let's break the plateau and unlock the real progress, the principle of progressive overload. Let's start with the most important rule of building muscles: progressive overload. If you want your body to grow, you have to more consistently challenge your muscles more than they are used to. This doesn't always mean lifting heavier. It can also mean more reps, more sets, better form, slower tempo, or reduced stress. But increasing the load at the actual weights is the most direct and powerful way to force your muscles to adapt and grow. Muscle fiber grow stronger and bigger as a response to increasing resistance. So now the big questions: when should you increase the weight? The ideal rep range for growth. Before we talk about when to increase, let's first understand what we are working with. The ideal rep range for muscle hypertrophy, that's muscle growth, is typically 6 to 12 reps per set. If you can't lift it more than 6 times, it's probably too heavy. If you are easily hitting 15 or more, it's too light for growth. So here's the rule: if you are able to do more than 12 reps with perfect form and you are not feeling real resistance, it's time to increase the weight. The 2 for 2 rule. Let me introduce a super simple rule that the top coaches use that. The 2 for 2 rule. Here's how it works. If you can complete 2 or more reps, then your goal is your last set. For 2 workouts in a row, increase the weight. Example, your target is 10 reps. In your last set, you hit 12 reps this week and again 12 next week. Boom, next time increase your load. This ensures you are not rushing and your progress is real, not just a lucky good day. Signs you are ready to increase weight. Let's now break down the real sign that it's time to increase your load. Reps feel easy. If you are not even struggling your last few reps, your body is not being challenged. No muscle soreness or fatigue. No, you don't need to be sore every time, but if there is zero fatigue or tension, it's a red flag. You are not pumped. That pump feeling shows that your muscles are being recruited effectively. If you've been lifting the same weights for 2 to 3 weeks, if the numbers have not moved, chances are your body stopped responding. Perfect form and stability. If your form is rock solid even during the last rep, you are ready to go heavier. Your progress has stalled. No chance in size, strength, or reps. Time to turn it up. How much weight should you add? Now comes the important part. How much should you increase? A rule of thumb: for upper body exercise like bench press, shoulder press, and curls, add 2.5 to 5 pounds. For lower body exercises like a squat, leg press, and deadlift, add 5 to 10 pounds. Start small and see how it feels. It from break of your reps drop dramatically, reduce it again. Never sacrifice from for ego lifting. That leads to injury, not growth. What if you can't add more weight? Let's say you are stuck, you max out the timber, or you're just not ready to go heavier. Don't worry, you can still make gains using this progressive overload alternative. Add more reps or set. Slow down your tempo, 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. Reduce rest time between sets. Use advanced technique like drop set, superset, or pause reps. This still increase the challenge on your muscles and stimulate hypertrophy. Listen to your body, not just the number. Muscle growth is a combination of a smart training, recovery, and nutrition. Just because you feel strong one day doesn't mean it's time to increase load. And just because you feel weak doesn't mean you are not progressing. Recovery, sleep, and stress affect your strength too. Always track your performance week by week, not day by day. Don't be in a rush to increase. Consistency beats speed. Your body will tell you when it's ready through energy, control, and strength. Progressive overload is not just physical, it's mental. One last thing, increasing load is not just about your muscles, it's about your mindset. Pushing your limit requires mental discipline. It's easy to stay in your comfort zone, but if you want to grow physically and mentally, you need to challenge yourself. Every reps, every set, every increase, it's build a stronger version of you. So bro, now you can exactly when and how to increase your load for maximum muscle growth. Follow the rep range, use the 2 for 2 rule, watch for those clear signs, add weights smartly, and most importantly, track your progress. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your gym buddy who's been curling the same dumbbell since 2020. Keep training hard, train smart, and I'll see you in the next video.